Hello guys, welcome to our reasoning section for the preparation of UGC NET exam, and in this lecture we will learn the mathematical ability. However, the most of the portion of this is we have to learn under the quantitative aptitude section because this is a part of quant. So in our separate playlist we have created from the name of quantitative aptitude, simple interest, compound interest and like that. So you can refer to that section also, because in which we have in that portion we have discussed in very details. Okay, but for the purpose of UGC NET exam, that what are the levels and what type of questions are asked, I have put up this couple of questions here. So we will discuss here that what kind of mathematical ability they generally ask. These both questions are from previous years of your exam of the UGC NET. So let's discuss here. Okay, now suppose the question 1 is 1 question mark is there, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23. So the question is that what is on the place of that question mark. So if you clearly observe this question, they are all are the prime numbers. What are prime numbers? We also discussed this topic in our quantitative aptitude section. Okay, so only 3 is missing. 3 is a prime number which is missing here. So you have just used this type of concept and your question is solved. So this is the 3 answer here. Now question 2 is A salary is 50% above B salary, and what percentage of B salary is below A salary? We have to find it. So this type of question are also asked. Okay, so suppose in that question you can assume that suppose A salary is 50% above B salary, means suppose B salary is 100 rupees. Suppose B salary is 100 rupees. Then what will be A salary? A salary is 50% above. So 50% of this is 50. So A salary should be 150 rupees. Okay. Now the question is asked that what percentage of B salary? What percentage of B salary is below A salary? Means what is the difference between their salary? The difference between their salary is 15 rupees, 50 rupees. And question in our question, it is asked that what percentage of B salary is below. Means this 50. What 50 is up to 150 means what percentage of 150 is 50 rupees. So approximately 33.33% of 150 is 50 rupees. And in our question asked it what percent of B salary is below A salary, means 50 rupees below A salary, but in percentage it's a 33.33% below. So B is our right answer for this type of question. So this type of general questions are asked under the mathematical ability section for the UGC NET paper. So you can prepare more, and if you have further kind of query, you can refer our quantitative section under a separate playlist, or we have uploaded many type of mathematical ability sections from various topics of quant. And further, if you have any topic that you want to learn or any kind of query regarding it in any particular question like that, you can comment below this video section and we will solve that query. Okay, please subscribe us. Thank you so much.